Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Lila Web Dev. Today we will dive into a super important concept in the web development, that is nothing but proxies, and how they set the stage for understanding statelessness in applications. If you are building apps or working with the servers, this is a must know topic. By the end of this video, you will understand what the proxies are and how they work as a load balancer and why they are crucial for scaling applications. We'll try to see. So let's first of all try to understanding the proxy and the stateless application. So let's try to understand about this. So why proxies matter? So before we jump into this one, what it is, what it means for an app to be stateless, we need to understand proxies. So that is the main thing. So because proxies are the backbone of distributing the traffic across the multiple servers, which is the way to build a scalable stateless systems. So let's break it down with an example. For example, imagine that, so here what I was trying to tell you is it is a foundation of the distributed system. Proxies distribute the traffic across the multiple servers. Here you need to understand this one. Proxies means it acts as something like a load balancer. It distributes the traffic across the multiple servers. So let's say that you are having servers like Node.js server 1, Node.js 2, Node.js 3 like this. So the traffic will be distributed across this one. So why it is? It's the key to stability, scalability, essential for building scalable stateless systems. So let's say here, imagine that you are having a multiple servers. So here you are having 3 servers, something like that. Okay, multiple 3 Node.js servers running the same application. So let's say that 3 Node.js servers are running the same application, and if one server fails, other handles the request. So that is the main thing. So here spreads the traffic across multiple servers. So it will spread the traffic across multiple servers. So what I was trying to do, so here let's say that you are having a 3 Node.js servers running the same application, and each server has its own IP address or port. So why have multiple services? So there will be two big reasons. One is redundancy. If one server goes down, and trust me, servers do go down, other services can handle the client request. Another one is the load distribution. Spreading the traffic across multiple servers reduces the pressure on any single server. This is how big apps like Netflix or Google handle millions of users. And also popular apps have servers all over the world, and they use proxies to route traffic efficiently. So let's see that how it works with the clients. So like this. So modern clients, what it will have. So now who is sending the request to these servers? Normally the web browsers, right? Any clients are just web browsers. And not only the web browsers, with the internet, the IoT came into picture. So a client can be anything. It can be a browser, a mobile apps, or IoT devices. Okay. So browsers, mobile apps, smart cars, laptops, smart fridge. So even if so everything will run. So smart refrigerators means a smart fridge also with the Linux OS could run Node.js, send HTTP request and tell your server. So that is the main thing. So here, then what is a proxy? Okay. So what is a proxy? So first one is, so why bother with a proxy? Here are some killer use cases. First one is client sends request to proxy routing. So it will route proxy forwards to the appropriate server, and the server process and returns the response, and proxy returns the response to the client. So that is the thing. So now HTTP. So here what the proxy will do, it acts as like a middleman. So it takes the requests, routes them, and returns the response, and also called as a load balancer when distributing the traffic. So now here what it will try to do is client request. Client connects to example.com and domains point to the proxy's IP, and proxy choose the available server, and the response returns back to the client. So this is how it will happen. So why we use a proxy? So the first one is the load balancing. Distribute traffic evenly across the servers. So it distributes the traffic evenly to prevent any single server from getting overwhelmed. And actually the failover. Reroutes the traffic if the server goes down. The proxy reroutes traffic to healthy servers. And another is the security. Proxy can block malicious traffic or filter out harmful users. And last one is the header modification. Proxies can tweak request or response headers. And last one is the protocol upgrades. So say your server only supports HTTP1, but clients uses HTTP3. A proxy can bridge that gap, handling HTTP3 for clients while talking HTTP1 to your servers. So network optimization. So now client connect from anywhere globally. and proxies optimize long distance connection, and servers connect on fast fiber internet. So we'll try to see building a simple proxy in Node.js. So right now we are having the server .js, we are running it, right? So which is having a slash login slash API slash posts and all those things they were having, right? So let's try to run that application in two servers. That is server 1 which runs in port 9001 and server 2 which runs in port 9002, and we'll have a proxy server which runs on port 9000. Now it should be have something like backend server array. So we'll maintain these all the things and we'll try to do this round robin algorithm. We'll try to see it. I'll try to show you this demo also. So now these all the things. So now clients have no idea that they are talking to a proxy. It feels like direct connection it will be having. So that is the main thing we will be having. So enhancing the proxy. So if you want to add the health checks, we can health check ping servers to verify availability, and security features modify headers to or block the request. Easy scaling, add more servers to the array. So proxy flexibility, it's simple but powerful. It gives full control over the traffic routing and also the handling. So connecting proxies to statelessness. So HTTP is a stateless. Each request is independent. Servers don't know if requests come from same client. So benefits of statelessness is independent request. Each HTTP request stands alone. Easy scaling, add servers without complex state management, and proxy compatibility. Proxies work seamlessly with the stateless app. So that is the key takeaways. What we need to understand is proxy basics, middleman between the clients and servers, load balancing, distributes the traffic across servers, Node.js implementation, simple round robin proxy example, and statelessness, foundation for scalable application. So let's try to do it this one. So I will try to explain you. So next state coming up next, what we'll try to do it is statelessness deep dive. So next video topic we'll try to have a detailed explanation of this statelessness and all the things we'll try to do it. So that's it guys about this one. So in the next video what we'll try to do is I will try to show you a simple example of this proxy so that you can have a clear understanding about this proxy thing. So until then, so hope you understand about this concept. If you have any notes or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.